Hi everyone. Today I'm going to cover the process of how to pay property tax online in the municipal corporation website. This process is ideally very simple, but for somebody who is doing it for the first time might not know what to do, where to go. I'll try to cover step by step in detail. This is the latest process. The navigation and look and feel of that website has changed. I'll also show you how to search your property in case you don't know how to search your property, how to pay the tax, how to get a new due certificate in case you're a buyer or seller, and I'll share my personal experience of how I did it. So let's go ahead, let's get started. Hope this video will help you to pay the property tax online. So first of all, what you have to do is this is the official website. So I am in Haryana. This is the website that I chose for Gurgaon. It will have a similar website for your state or city. So go to mcggov.in, go to Google, search your municipal corporation website, and then what you have to do is go to the property tax under the services. Go to property tax, and then once you go there, what you will see is this property tax icon. You have to click this property tax link. Then what it will ask you is if you are a new registration, if you are a new user for the first time you're doing, you can do a new user registration. It's very simple. What you have to do is just give your name, surname, and enter your mobile number and click on this register icon. And then what it will do is it will send an OTP to your mobile. All you have to do is enter your OTP and click on verify and submit. And then that is it. Then you have to just go back to that MCG website, click on property tax, and then log in as citizen, enter your mobile number and click on login screen. Once you have logged in, it will again send you an OTP. Just click verify that OTP. Once you do that, what you will see here is it says that there is no property linked to my mobile number. So what you have to do is you can to search that property, you can click here, or if you see this tab, you can click on search property here as well, or you can click on this make payment or generate no due certificate, and I'll come to this. But first of all, what I'm going to show is how to search your property in case you don't know. So once you click on that, or once you click on search property, it will ask you to give your district or municipality, which is mandatory. And then after giving that information, this mandatory information, what you can do is you can search your property by property ID. If you already know if it's a resale property or new, you might have a property ID. If you don't know, you can search it by your name, you can search it by your mobile number as well, or if you know the colony, you can get a list of that as well. Once you have done that, let's say I've searched it by the name, give your name and you'll see all the properties that are registered in this name, and then you can search for your property which is applicable to you. Now, once you've done that, let's say we come back to the main agenda, which is making the payment or generating the no due certificate. Once you found your property, enter the property ID. If you see here, it will show you, once you click on these details, it will show you this property ID. This is the PID property ID. What you do is go to this make payment, enter your property ID, and click on this search button, right, within this make payment tab, right? If the PID is not known, I've already shown you how to search that property. Once you've done, you've searched your property, you can verify all of your details that it is showing correct. Your property ID, name, mobile number, your address is all showing as correct. Once you've done that, verify what is the outstanding figure. For me, it was this amount that you see here. After the rebates and additional percentages, this is the total amount that was due for me. Verify if there are any other water, sewerage, development, or garbage collection charges. Once you keep scrolling down, you will see this is the total amount that is due for your property ID. It will come automatically. Then it will ask you within Haryana that if you have a family ID, it is okay if you don't have a family ID. If you have, then it will link your property ID to that family ID and you can pay from there. If not, that is okay. You can just click on no, click on I have verified the property details. Just read these instructions, make sure that you have good internet connectivity, you don't get disconnected, you don't refresh your browser, and that is just to avoid double payments or payment failing. Once you made sure, just click on pay online. An OTP will come to your mobile number that is linked to this property ID. So once you get that, you can just click on verify OTP and submit. In case your number and email ID is not updated, I already have made a separate video on covering how to update your mobile or email. In that, I can put that link in the description, or you can go through my videos and you'll find that video. Once you've done that, once you've clicked on the OTP, you will get, you'll have to choose a payment method. You want to pay by credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI. There are no charges on any of these. So you just choose your payment method. For example, I chose credit card. Enter your credit card details, number, CVV, expiry date, and click on pay now. Once you've done that, if you see here, it shows as the merchant is Directorate of Panchkula, which is for Haryana or Gurgaon. This is the merchant name. Just for a reference, you don't have to do anything with it. And then you will get a OTP on your mobile for which your card was registered. Just enter that OTP here, confirm, and this is it. Your payment for property tax is done, and it will bring you back to this receipt page, which will show that your payment receipt for the payment that you've just done. And what you can do is just scroll down. When you scroll down, you will get an option of printing this receipt from here. You can just click on print. It will just print these and save PDF copy of this. Or you can print receipt from here. Or you can also generate a no due certificate that, in case you want to generate it for any other purposes, or that you've made the payment and you want to generate it, this is how it will look like. It will generate a no due certificate that you have made this payment after this, and there are no dues other on this. If you have to provide it to society, or your buyer, seller, or lawyer, you can provide it from here. Hope you found this video helpful. Good luck with paying your property taxes. Thank you so much.